Today, Attorney General Eric Holder plans to call for major changes in the nation's criminal justice system. That includes scaling back harsh sentences for some drug crimes. The plan could get support from both parties. Jan Crawford is with us in the studio. Jan, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Nora. The attorney...
Go ahead. Sorry, you go.
Well, I mean, this is just such a significant story that was developing really overnight. And the Attorney General is wanting to basically cut the time that some of these nonviolent, low-level drug offenders are spending in jail. So today, the administration is going to send a memo to U.S. attorneys' offices across the country telling them to change how they charge some of these nonviolent drug crimes. This is a way of getting around federal laws that would otherwise impose some pretty tough mandatory minimum sentences. Now, Attorney General Holder is going to announce the change later today at a speech before the American Bar Association. He's going to make the case in moral and economic terms, saying, according to the prepared remarks that we've seen, too many Americans go to prison, too many Americans go to too many prisons for far too long and for no good law enforcement reasons. So very strong words trying to make this case.
And how significant do you think this change will be, Jen, given the overcrowding and the expense in terms of U.S. prison population?
Well, I mean, Nora, that is really, I think, part of what is driving this. I mean, prison overcrowding is a major problem in the United States at the federal level and at the state level. Think about this. I mean, these sentencing laws took effect in the 1980s in response to a lot of concerns about drug crimes. Today, 25% of the world's prison population is in the United States. Almost half are in prison for drug offenses. $80 billion a year is spent on corrections nationwide. This is a unilateral order, though. They're making this change, the administration's making this change today without consulting Congress.
And how much of this is about Eric Holder's legacy as Attorney General?
I think that is how it's going to be perceived, Nora, that he sees this as a major part of his legacy. And unlike some of the other changes that he's proposed, like, remember, closing Guantanamo Bay, trying terror suspects here in Manhattan, this one does have some bipartisan support. States like Arkansas and Texas already have imposed their own policies to lower prison overcrowding, so he may have some bipartisan support for this.
Jan Crawford, thank you.
Thank you.